So I just got something very exciting in the mail. As you can see, I have a wired boy right here of the VAXEE XE. And VAXEE just happened to come out with a wireless version. That thing sold out in like an hour. But I was lucky enough to cop one. And I wanted to open it on camera here with my cat. You know, it's a pretty plain box here, but look at that. I should have brought a knife. Oh, that was pretty easy, actually. The reveal. One. Nice. Dude, I've been waiting for this mouse for like a year. I don't know if it's been that long, but it feels like I'm pretty sure I got this like around release as well. And it's been like the best shape. I've had so many mice, but this one has been the best, even at the 75-gram weight. I've enjoyed it more than all the other super lightweight mice, and I've tried pretty much everything except for fingertip mice. And I actually have a HSK Pro, the 4K hertz one, the Explodey boy, the one that was blowing up in people's hands. I have one of those coming in eventually. But that's not what we're here for. We're here for this boy. Ooh, solid black, matte black everything. Nice. I'm so glad to see this. Okay, so first impressions, it likes to get some fingerprints on it. You can already see just from me grabbing it. But I think it's just because it's cold. This mouse is very cold right now. It's kind of cold here in Texas, but okay, so let's see. Let's unwire this one. Whoop. Let's get a feeling in hand. The wireless version does feel a little heavier. I'm not sure. I don't remember what the specs are for the wired version. No, maybe it's just my left arm's weak. But it looks like they have the same configuration on the bottom, same skates, same DPI, polling rate, and I believe it's either debounce or liftoff distance. I don't remember the 2481 right here. Let's see, you able to see that? Kinda. There you go. So it's the same in both. The feet are the same. Here's a little sound test. So here's the wired version. And here's the wireless. Button, whatever this back button is, these sound different. I prefer the wireless version of that. For the most part, I mean, it's pretty much the same mouse as the wired version, which, I mean, I'm not complaining about. I like the wired, honestly. Like, I've been using it over my Death Adder V3 Pro, which is a really good mouse, but I just got kind of tired of the ergo shape, personally. And I just love the flat sides. So, no, it's the same. But yeah, I can't wait to try this out. I mean, it shouldn't really be too much different than anything than the wired, but hold on, where's everything? I was like, where's my dongle at? The thing that makes it wireless. Okay, so here we go. So here's the wireless dongle. It's even got little slits for the, because you know their wire has little prongs on it for stability whenever you do feel like playing with it wired, which I don't necessarily recommend, especially since you have a wireless mouse now, because their cable's a little thick. I mean, it's flexible-ish, but it's kind of heavy. And that was the one thing I never really liked on the wired version, obviously, is the wire, but shape is king in this game. So let's see, let's plug it up. Just do this here. Sorry, very professional. Okay. So got the dongle plugged in. Just gonna set it right there for now. Turn the mouse on. Let's see. Oh, it is very low DPI. I've been trying out 3200, trying to do some higher settings. Okay, no, this feels great. Let's see. Maybe make this a little smaller. You can see my mouse move a little bit over here. Not that you can really, this really does anything for you, but this does feel really good. Oh, it's so nice to have this mouse and wireless now. Well, I'll do some testing on it, and I can give my thoughts on it later on. Maybe do some Kovacs and some Valorant or whatever. But yeah, thanks for watching. Hope that was useful if you're getting one too. If you got one coming in today or tomorrow, or you feel like getting one in a month whenever they restock, highly recommend this mouse. And, thanks for watching. Bye.